Hello, thank you for watching our Sashi.co videos. This is an advertisement video of our Sashiko Workshop in New York City in 2019. Fall Spring, we have it on April 13th and 14th afternoon in Tribeca. Our Sashiko Workshop is well-organized learning opportunity. For example, we only spent a few minutes on explaining how to draw the pattern on the fabric, because we believe that it is something you can learn by yourself with a little bit of help. Instead, we focus on the topics that I would love to share in person. In my belief, Sashiko is not about making one perfect stitch. It is about moving the needles with enjoying the moment. Therefore, the posture and the basic hand movement is the key of the Sashiko we practice. Stitching speed is not the priority. However, when we are in the rhythm, the Sashiko you see now on the screen can be done in a few hours. The workshop will teach you how. The workshop is for a bit more than 3 hours with intensive stitching to learn the unshin, the rhythmical stitching, which I believe it is the basic and core of Sashiko. Of course, in the workshop, I will be sharing a lot of information and answering your questions. I probably won't stop talking even for 5 minutes while you practice stitching. There are many things I would like to share. By applying what you learn, you can do Sashiko with a lot more complicated patterns. In the workshop, I check everyone's hand posture, standing right next to them, to provide the individual advice. After sharing the workshop with more than 100 people, I know the points where they get stuck. In order to feel comfortable with the unshin, at least 2 hours of stitching will be necessary since we use the new muscle memory. It would be nice to meet you in person in New York City on April 13th or 14th. Please register your seat from Atsushi's Upcycle Stitches website. The numbers of seats are very limited. If you cannot make it for this spring, or you found out that the workshop is sold out, please let us know that you are interested. We will add you to the list so we will be able to get the notification for you prior to the regular advertisement. I understand that New York City is far from some of you. We now offer the online Sashiko class to provide a similar experience as I do in person. I still believe that the in-person learning opportunity is the best way to share, but we will do our best to make the similar experience happen by providing the lectures and lifestyle session. For more information, please check the Upcycle Stitches website as well. I hope to meet you in New York City.